Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and today, we are not just looking at a vehicle. We are witnessing the birth of a legend, a $10 million dream on the road, the high-speed 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, or as we've affectionately nicknamed it, the billionaire's secret stealth RV. From the moment this machine glides into view, you understand that every other motorhome is now, quite frankly, just a bus. It has a presence that is utterly commanding, its body a futuristic, sculpted masterpiece that echoes the world's most luxurious yachts. Only this one is ready to cross continents. The champagne gold and deep black two-tone metallic paint is not merely a finish, it's a mirror reflecting the landscape you travel through, with a deep, liquid shimmer that suggests silent speed. Every line is sleekly aerodynamic, purposefully crafted not just for beauty but for high-speed stability. Look at the lighting signature, razor-sharp DRLs lead the way, integrating seamlessly into the flowing front fascia, giving it a predatory, focused look. As dusk falls, the wraparound taillights and soft ambient accents create a night presence that is nothing short of an event. An elegant glow announcing the arrival of something truly special. But perhaps the most breathtaking exterior feature is the expansive panoramic glass roof, a single, uninterrupted sheet of transparency that stretches the full length of the cabin, promising natural light by day and breathtaking celestial views at night. Forget fumbling for keys. Entry is a discreet affair with the automated system. Hidden retractable steps glide out from the bodywork, and a digital keypad grants seamless access, a quiet invitation to step into a new dimension of luxury travel. The integrated spoiler and smooth rear ensure that even the back of this vehicle is a study in performance and aesthetics, hinting at the power housed within. And those wheels, they are large, styled, with a futuristic design, complete with aerodynamic hub covers that manage airflow, marrying high fashion with high-speed engineering. As the automated door whispers shut, a sense of immediate, profound calm washes over you. This is the interior sanctuary where the noise of the world simply ceases to exist, thanks to advanced acoustic technology that delivers whisper-quiet comfort. The air itself feels richer, cleaner, and the materials under your fingers speak of genuine, uncompromising quality. Supple Napa leather, hand-finished fine wood veneers and cool, solid brushed aluminum accents. This is craftsmanship elevated to an art form. The entire space is an open concept layout, where the living, kitchen, and bedroom areas flow into one another with such smooth transition. It feels like a high-end penthouse apartment. The ambient lighting is the soul of the space, a soft, customizable glow that you can fine-tune to enhance every mood and moment. From a vibrant morning to a serene evening, the seating is revolutionary. 360-degree rotating recliner seats that are so comfortable they can transform into the most luxurious lounges or even extra beds at the touch of a button, ensuring you can configure the living space for conversation, viewing, or full relaxation instantly. Naturally, entertainment is state-of-the-art. A massive, crystal-clear old smart TV retracts from the ceiling, paired with a bespoke Bose or Harman Kardon surround sound system that turns the motorhome into a private rolling cinema. And for privacy, the smart glass windows are a marvel of innovation, offering adjustable opacity, allowing you to go from full panoramic viewing to total, frosted seclusion in an instant. The kitchen is a testament to space-optimized luxury, truly a five-star galley on wheels. It centers around a smart induction stove, energy-efficient and touch-controlled for precision cooking, making every meal a chef. Tucked away are a compact dishwasher and fridge, both space-optimized but brimming with high-end capability. What ties the room together is the seamless technology. Voice-activated controls manage the lighting, adjust the climate, and operate the appliances entirely hands-free. No clutter is allowed here. Every corner is utilized with hidden storage and expandable counters that maximize function while maintaining the sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Moving past the living area, you arrive at the master suite, and here, luxury reaches its zenith. The king-size bed, featuring a body-contouring memory foam mattress, is wrapped in soft mood lighting, creating a nightly escape. Above you, the ultimate luxury, a panoramic stargazing ceiling, the smart glass roof above the bed, offering a private silent view of the night sky. True serenity. The adjoining bathroom is a spa-inspired haven of tranquility. It features a rainfall shower with automatic temperature adjustment for the perfect cascade. Paired with a sleek, substantial marble sink, the smart mirror and touch panel controls offer infotainment and environmental settings at your fingertips, so you can check the weather or adjust the heat while you prepare for the day. But a Bugatti, even one that is a home, must first and foremost be a driver's machine. And the engineering here is truly groundbreaking. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by an aggressive hybrid electric drivetrain, seamlessly blending a twin-turbo V8 engine with powerful electric motors to produce a staggering output of over 700 horsepower. This is power you feel not as a vibration, but as an immediate, effortless surge, the ability to pass, to merge, and to climb mountains without ever straining. The driving experience is further refined by the adaptive air suspension, a marvel of engineering that constantly monitors and adjusts the ride height and damping ensuring a magic carpet ride over every terrain, from smooth highway asphalt to winding mountain passes. The advanced all-wheel drive system is always engaged, ensuring total control and confidence, giving you a commanding sense of safety no matter the weather. And just like in the living space, advanced noise cancellation works actively in the chassis, maintaining that tranquil, whispered quiet cabin ambience even when the massive hybrid powertrain is working its magic on a steep incline. Stepping into the pilot's seat is like entering a spaceship. The digital driver cockpit is a masterclass in ergonomics and digital design, a fully customizable dashboard with immersive 3D navigation that brings the road to life. This motorhome is also on the leading edge of autonomy, featuring an autonomous driving assist suite that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and true hands-free driving modes, taking the strain out of long hauls. Parking this behemoth is made effortless by a comprehensive 360-degree camera system, eliminating blind spots and offering a bird's-eye view perfect for navigating tight spaces or backing into a scenic spot. But the true innovation is the AI travel assistant, a digital co-pilot that learns your preferences, expertly plans your routes, locates charging stations or fuel stops, and even recommends those hidden scenic stops only a local would know. Furthermore, the motorhome's smart home integration means you can control lighting, climate, and entertainment systems via a single app or simple voice command, making the transition from driving to relaxing completely seamless. And for the ultimate expression of bespoke luxury, there are the optional add-ons. Imagine sustainable off-grid power from elegant solar roof panels, or stepping out to find a built-in espresso machine or minibar ready to deliver a 5-star experience anywhere in the world. For the road less traveled, the retractable outdoor deck or awning, complete with elegant seating, creates the perfect spot for sunset relaxation, connected to the world via premium streaming and satellite internet, ensuring global connectivity even in the most remote locations. For the ultimate client, you can even commission custom interior themes or branded upholstery from designers like Bentley or Hermes, making this the only motorhome of its kind. This is more than a vehicle. It is a meticulously crafted world on wheels, a vision of the future that has arrived ahead of schedule. It's the answer to a question no one dared to ask. What if a high-performance hypercar company built the ultimate luxury home for the road? They built a masterpiece that combines the thrill of pure performance with the serenity of a 5-star sanctuary. It is a fusion of innovation, craftsmanship, and a relentless pursuit of the perfect journey. So, as the sun sets and the cabin glows with a custom-set ambient light, the silent, powerful heart of this machine ready for the next adventure, we have to ask you, close your eyes for a moment, and truly imagine yourself behind the wheel of this 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. The whole world open before you, every mile a moment of pure, uncompromised luxury. This isn't just about the destination anymore. It's about the art of travel itself. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into what is, without question, the pinnacle of the luxury motorhome market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we bring you more breathtaking innovations from luxury motorhome. Until then, keep dreaming big and keep driving toward the horizon.